Watched at 4, new guidelines from the CDC. You can hug your grandparents as long as they're fully vaccinated. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Kelly Eckerman. KMBC9 Sally Kidd is in Washington to break it all down for us.
The CDC says there are some activities that fully vaccinated people can resume, like visiting with loved ones, hugging the grandkids, but there are some exceptions. Under new CDC guidelines, if you're one of the 31 million Americans who have been fully vaccinated, you can gather with others who've also been vaccinated without wearing a mask or social distancing. You can also get together with unvaccinated people from one other household who are considered low risk.
Here's an example. If grandparents have been vaccinated, they can visit their daughter and her family, even if they have not been vaccinated, so long as the daughter and her family are not at risk for severe disease.
But when you're out in public, the CDC recommends everyone, including those vaccinated, continue to wear masks, avoid large gatherings, and physically distance. And the agency continues to stress non-essential travel should be avoided, regardless of your vaccination status.
Today's action represents an important first step. It is not our final destination.
The new guidance comes as some states are dropping their mask mandates.
We are in a situation where it is safe to open up 100%.
Still, public health officials caution we remain in the midst of a serious pandemic. 90% of Americans have not been vaccinated.
We must keep up the pace of progress and remain vigilant.
In Washington, Sally Kidd, KMBC 9 News.
Now, the CDC says people are not fully vaccinated until 2 weeks after receiving the last required dose of vaccine. This is a look at the vaccination rate in Kansas and Missouri, according to the CDC. In Kansas, 260,000 people have been fully vaccinated. That accounts for 9% of the population. In Missouri, it's 539,000 people, which is 8.8% of the population.